Dr. G. Ravi Kumar. Today I am going to explain organizing innovation entrepreneurship outreach program in school or community. This is my college, Southern College of Engineering and Technology, and our chairman, respected Muhammad Shah Rasul Khan, chairman of Southern College, and our principal, Dr. M.D. Muhammad Rahman, principal SCET. So, today introduction about this. In this last 2 decades, there has been increased the dialogue about the responsibility of business organization towards the society. So, in this society, management institutes across the globe are discussing how they can be instill new knowledge, skills, attitudes, and among future managers, so they can come up and with innovation business model that meet both objective purpose and profit purpose. It is important that management is graduate must improve the areas of social awareness and accountability. So many business schools have realized this and have taken the initiative of incorporate social responsibility and business ethics and community engagements and related aspects in their curriculums. We need institutions that focus on the creating a mindset among their graduates, who believe that long-term success of the business and requires a healthy society and vice versa. These graduates must be learned to see business a force social good and not as an instrument of maximizing and shareholder value at the expense of society. For this, we need make a changes in our education system and create a culture where learning how to learn become the trust and student can be self-direct. They have been exposed to ground realities by the community connect. The community connect is often is called the service learning approach.